What's going on, guys? Josh here. I wanted to jump on here for a minute. I've been out for a few days. Guess what? I'm gonna show y'all what I got going on. Check it out. We have got the 12 valve head off. Let's check it out over here. Here she lays. I've already started, just taking everything apart. Yeah, I will be going to the machine shop tomorrow, my local machine shop, and dropping everything off. I will be putting this video all together, showing y'all the start to finish on the head gasket repair. Let me show you this head gasket. I found out a lot of spots on here that looked pretty bad. Check this out, guys. Look at all that. All this popped up, and right here is where I was having my leak. It was coming through at. Right in here. But you can see down this head gasket that it is in pretty bad shape. Pretty bad shape. But guys, I'm ready to get this project completed and get this truck back on the road. I mean, it took me, I've never done this, and watching a bunch of you guys' videos online, Chad Myers, he helped out a lot on watching some of his D-Boss. And there's one other one on there, I can't think of his name right off, but it shows start to finish on the 12 valve head gasket repair. But I'm gonna show you my parts here, guys. I got everything laid out. I got everything in order here, laid out. These will have to be milled. I bagged everything in a bag, the injectors and all, to keep in order. And let me show y'all what I done to my push rods, which y'all might think it's crazy, but I done it. I mean, yeah. But check them out. I got 6 to number 1 in a line. I got like 6 of 1, 6 of 2, and this where I know which one from 1 to 2 on each cylinder it went in to keep up with. But I have everything marked. And guys, this topside creeper was a lifesaver. My back has not hurt at all yet. But we're gonna get this head dropped off, get it machined. I might get them to do something with that plane and just kind of straighten it out. But like, share, subscribe to my page. I will be doing some giveaways. We're going with Exotic Performance head studs. Great products. Check them out. Send Jason a message, an email, and he'll get back with you. He's fast on getting back to everyone. So guys, like, share, subscribe to my page. And this thing will be getting put back together. I hope, man, by next weekend I'll have it together. But I got to get in here and still got to clean the surface of the motor and just get everything just cleaned up. I mean, I still got some cleaning up to do. But, guys, everything's off. Like, share, subscribe to my page, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Thank you.